Hey guys, I thought I'd share some things that I bought and how I use them to give you some ideas for Halloween decorations. I bought this black cloth to drape over surfaces like my desk and countertop. I also used it to cover the corners of my letterboard. I tied a knot in the back to keep it in place. You could also do this with picture frames. I bought fall leaves, which I turned into garlands. This was in my previous tutorial. I bought witch hats, which also came with bats. Instead of using fishing line that it came with and command hooks to hang them, I used thread and hot glue. Go through the top and knot the end. I also made a knot near the tip. I added hot glue to my thread, peeled it, and glued that to my ceiling. Using hot glue doesn't peel off my wall paint, but it might be because my paint has a semi-gloss finish. If you decide to do this, definitely test it out on a small spot first. Mine peeled right off. I bought a pack of skeletons. I tucked in the loops and taped it. I didn't want to cut them in case I decide to hang them for another Halloween. I used the bats that came with the witch hats to decorate them. I also added the bats to my wall. I bought this floating potion cauldron set. I didn't add the green dye that it came with. I just used water and this label. I assembled the pieces. This is for the bottle, and this creates the fog. The suction cups didn't seem strong, and I didn't want the bottle to tip over, so I added rocks to hold the base down. I placed it at the corner of my desk so that I could still use my desk. I placed this cauldron that I had inside of this cauldron to fill most of the space. Then I added these mini pumpkins. I placed a dish next to it to add mints. I added other decorations that I made, like the skull garland, these spiky candlestick holders, these pillows, crocheted pumpkins, and a hooded skeleton. And here's how they turned out.